As we've noted before, ARC adopts the coordinate system of the first data set you load as the default coordinate system for a map. Here I've put in a map and I've loaded a decimal degree data set, and I'll have a decimal degree coordinate system for this map for any new data I load until I change it. That is, I change the coordinate system, and I can do that manually. I can set the coordinate system to which I want ARC to project things on the fly, so I can have a different shape. So for example, I could change to a UTM coordinate system, a different coordinate system that is described in the readings. So here, if I activate the map by left-clicking on it, and then I right-click, and in the properties, display the coordinate system, it lists here the coordinate system that's the default that it has at the beginning. And listing it here is the GCS WGS84, the coordinate system. This is an in-county decimal degrees coordinate system. It's a geographic coordinate system. But I can change that. I can tell ARC, no, I don't want things in that system. Rather, pick one of these UTMs, let's say the N8083 Zone 15 North coordinate system, and I'll say OK, and it then on the fly projects the data from this decimal degree geographic coordinate system into a projected coordinate system, that UTM coordinate system, on the map here. So now that's the default, and any data I load onto the map, for example, if I load these lower 48 Albers, they get projected then into this this UTM coordinate system instead of the old decimal degree. So it has a different shape, form, orientation, and I can change that anytime I want. Again, for the map, I left-click then on this map name, and then I right-click, and in the properties, can pick a different coordinate system. So here, to give more space, I'll widen the panel. Rather than this N8083, let's, for example, go to a continental North American contiguous USA Albers, and it changes the orientation a little bit. Now I have this Albers. Now note, it doesn't change the units here with which it displays the coordinates of the cursor location. If I have it in decimal degrees, it'll calculate those by doing the map projection just for the cursor location. But I have the ability then to change the units here, and then it'll give me the actually projected units. So I could change to a different coordinate system and project. Now in the lab, we have you do this multiple times, changing the coordinate system for the map. Now again, remember, this doesn't change the coordinates at all of the data in storage. It just says, what's the target coordinate system I want you to project to on the fly when you're going to display things.